Hello friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So in today's video we are going to be interacting with the version 2 of Omni Testnet. However, before you can do Omni Testnet at all, you need to go to Galxe and claim a certain oath, and I will be showing you how to do that now. So you're going to paste the link to Galxe in your search bar. I am going to have every link I used in this video pinned in the comment section for your convenience. So here we are. You are going to, claim the Omni Overdrive launch supporter role oath here, and you can see I have already claimed the oath. I actually did this some months ago. I think that was before this channel was started. So I have claimed the oath. You have to claim the oath as well before your wallet address will be verified, and only when your wallet address is verified will you be able to claim test tokens and then participate in the interaction. So next we are going to add Omni Testnet to Metamask, so you paste the link to chain list in your search bar. You also find that in the comment section. So you can see here Omni Testnet, then tap on add to Metamask. You're going to approve, and also you are going to switch your network as per the prompt you see on your screen. So switch network to Omni Testnet. Now the next thing we are going to do is we are going to claim some test tokens from Omni Faucer. So you are going to paste the link to Omni Faucer in your search bar. Here we are, and then you are going to paste your EVM address. EVM address could be your Metamask address or your trust wallet, so whichever one you normally use for testnet interaction, whichever one that is linked to your Galxe that you claimed the oath with, you're going to paste it in the search bar, and then you're going to receive your test tokens, which you're going to be needing for the testnet interactions. So next we are moving on to the next item, and that is Collarup portal. However, we are going to have a little issue with this one, and the only issue there is the fact that I have done this particular task some months ago, so I won't be able to do it again this time. You won't see all the features you're supposed to see on my screen because I have done it before. However, it is actually very self-explanatory, and if you have any questions, just join my Telegram channel as well as my Telegram group. Send me screenshots, then I can easily guide you. So you're going to connect your wallet to the Collarup portal. You're going to tap on next, and you're going to tap on connect. Then you're going to switch your network to Arbitrum Interactions, and then you're going to just tap on request price, and then when you do that, you're going to receive a prompt to confirm your interaction in your Metamask wallet, and that is all you are meant to do on this page. Then when you have done that, you're going to tap on Omni, like you can see me circle it here. So when you tap on this Omni, it is going to take you to Collarup, and all you are supposed to do is the funds that you requested on the Collarup portal, the first website, you're going to accept it on the Collarup. However, because I have done this particular mission before, then I won't be able to, display everything, have everything displayed on my screen at the moment. So when you get there, you're going to connect with your Metamask. Then you're going to switch your network to Omni Testnet. After connecting your wallet, you will see accept, and when you click on accept, you're going to receive prompt to confirm in your wallet as well. So if I move to position, you can see that I have already participated in this, and that is why I can't do it again except if I use a different wallet address for now. So when you are done with this step, you're going to also go to Galxe, and you're going to claim oath for this task. If I go to Galxe now, you'll see that I've been able to successfully claim the oath for this particular task as well. So you can see claimed here. You can see claimed. I have claimed the oath. So when you do yours, you're going to come here and then claim the oath. This is very self-explanatory, but when you get there and you have any questions, just join me on Telegram and show me your screenshots and ask your questions. So next we are going to .omni.me, and here we are going to buy domain names, just like we did in scroll tutorial, if you all remember. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to connect your wallet. So tap on Connect Wallet. Choose Metamask and then confirm the connection in your wallet. So I also want to let you all know that all the Galxe interactions for this tutorial will be expiring today at 7:30 in the evening Nigerian time. So you may want to be fast after watching this video with your testnet interactions. They actually do not take time. I mean, within 30 minutes you can be done. If you have any questions, just ask me in our Telegram group. So search for your preferred username here, your preferred domain name rather, that you would like to purchase. So this domain name is available, then tap on the name card. Afterwards, choose the number of years that you would like to purchase for your domain name. So I am going for 2 years. Then you are going to tap on register. Tap on confirm. Then confirm the transaction in your wallet. So after buying the domain name, we are going to go to Galxe again and we are going to claim oath for this interaction. So you would find the link to the Galxe campaign in the comment section as well. Here we are. You would see that every other interaction here has been, verified, including the purchase of the domain name, and then the two that is left is to repost a post, to follow them on Twitter, and as well like a post or something. However, I noticed that today there seems to be an issue with Galxe and Twitter API. Galxe is unable to verify, Twitter tasks such as following an account, reposting, or liking a post. I have been having that issue even before making this tutorial today, so I hope it won't be the same on your end. However, if it is the same, just keep trying, and I hope that one won't be holding us back from claiming our oaths before they will expire by 7:30 today. So you are supposed to follow them and then like a post. I have done the two, then I will go back and see if this will be verified. But no, you can see it bringing error. I'll also do the same thing for the other task. This one isn't going through either, so I hope this won't be the issue you'll be facing on your end as well. It is not going through, so I'm going to leave this part. Then I'm going to move to the last item in the tutorial, and that is mission Dripverse. Paste the link to mission Dripverse in your search bar. So on Dripverse, it's like you want to mint an NFT, but then you are going to mint a part of the NFT on a network and the other part of that NFT on another network. Then you're going to burn it and then now mint it on Omni Testnet. It sounds somehow. So you're going to tap on that wallet icon and then you're going to choose your preferred way of logging in. I'll choose Metamask. Then you're going to connect. Now, after successfully connecting, you are going to scroll to the bottom, and then the first thing you will do is to mint the first half of your NFT on Arbitrum Testnet. So tap on Mint on Arbitrum. Then confirm the minting in your wallet. That one is successful. Now you are going to mint the second half of the NFT on Optimism Testnet. So tap on mint on Optimism. I don't have the Optimism Testnet before, so I have to approve it and then switch network. Then I'll come back and tap on mint on Optimism. Then tap on confirm. Minting of the second half is successful. Lastly, you are going to mint on Omni. And now what happens is it is going to burn the first half and the second half that you have minted on Arbitrum and Optimism. It is going to burn them together and then use it to mint on Omni. So you are going to have to switch to Omni Testnet to do this. Then tap on confirm in your wallet. The minting is successful and then you can get to see your NFT. Lastly, we are going to Galxe and then we are going to claim alt for this interaction. So the minting of the Dripverse NFT is successful, every other task is successful, and then lastly, I'm going to complete the Twitter task, which is to like a Twitter post. So I'll tap on the like button and then go back to Galxe. Now I'll try to verify this task. You can see it's bringing the same error as usual. I'll go back to the previous Galxe task that I was unable to complete and then see if the Twitter following and liking of a post has been verified. So this is it. I'm going to try to verify those tasks again. And it is still bringing the same error. I hope Omni can maybe extend the deadline for this task because of this issue. Just keep trying and I hope you won't have the same error on your end. So this is the end of today's tutorial. This is everything you need to do to complete the version 2 of Omni Testnet. If you have questions, drop me a comment in the comment section or join my Telegram channel. Like and subscribe for more if you have found value. Thank you for watching.